Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to go through the steps to make this animated clock. We're going to start with the sketches and work our way through all the parts, the assemblies, and then finally the animation. Moving over here, you can see we're in our Parts Studio and all of our components. We have a minute hand, an hour hand, and a clock face. To start this off, we're going to make a clock face that looks like this. The information here is all posted onto a single sketch. You can see that we call this the one sketch clock. I actually have two clocks defined in the model shown here, but I'm going to show you how to do it from one. So, in a clean new Parts Studio, we're going to create a sketch on the front plane, and we're going to view normal and draw 3 circles. The largest of those circles will be 6 inches. The medium circle will be 1.5, and the smallest circle will be 3/4. We will then go ahead and name our sketch clock face. And we're going to begin creating the hour hand. The easiest way to make the hour hand is by using the line tool. Tapping the L on the keyboard is the fastest and easiest way to get the line tool. You'll notice that I have my planes toggled on. The letter P on your keyboard, the P key on the keyboard, will allow you to toggle your planes on and off as needed. So each time I hit the P key, the planes toggle off or toggle back on. So again, the easiest way to draw this is to use the line tool and then to use the mirror tool to make a copy. So if I choose the mirror tool, it's going to ask me first the mirror tool is over here. Select a mirror line. I've chosen the vertical axis as the mirror line. And you can see it reads select entities to be mirrored. So I'll click all the things that I would like to mirror. And then just enter and escape. And now I have an arrow that is symmetric. And you can see how all the parts move in unison. Now it's just a matter of adding dimensions to the model. Use my dimension tool, and I'm going to dimension point to point according to my drawings. In this case, the drawing tells us the overall height, the radius from the center point to the tip is 2.65 inches. The height of the clicking point to point. The height of the triangle is 0.9. The width of the triangle is 1.45. And the width of the main portion of the triangle here, of the arm, is shown from as a distance between the vertical axis and the part. It's a distance of 0.25. You can see that our sketch is not fully constrained, so we're doing the right thing. We're going to continue by drawing the other hand. This one I'm going to do slightly different just to illustrate a different technique. Obviously, the same technique will work for both. So in this case, I'm just going to draw these asymmetrically and add the symmetry tool or symmetry constraint so that you can see how that works. Because sometimes you get something drawn and you would like to add the symmetry after the fact. So I'm going to grab the symmetric tool Shift Q is the shortcut. It's on your constraints drop-down menu, depending on the screen size you have. And then the way the symmetry tool works is you choose two objects that you would like to make symmetric and the mirror line. So it's object, object, mirror line. Object, object, mirror line. Object, object, mirror line. And now you can see that my arrow is nice and symmetric. Now we're ready for the dimensions. Again, we're using point-to-point dimensions, so click on the top point and the bottom point. Top point, bottom point. Width, left point, middle point. And outermost point, innermost point. And that's how you draw the clock face and the hands. In the next video, we'll show you how to do the hour marks and the circular pattern.